Profile leveling, the operation of determining elevation of points at short measured intervals, a located line. Protractor, an instrument used in measuring and constructing angles. Wrench poles, a pole with a steel point, painted with an alternating bands of red and white. Rodman, a person whose duty is to hold rod and to assess level man or topographer. Solar observation, an observation of features of the sun with its position and diameter as a basis of determining azimuth, latitude, and longitude. Stadia, an instrument used in finding distances from level to point on which rod reading is taken. Staff compass, an instrument used to determine direction and usually placed on Jacob's staff for stability. Stacking, the process of making the limits with pointed piece of materials driven into the ground as a marker. Survey line, the path or route between points of control along which measurements are taken to determine distance or angles. Surveyor's compass, a magnetic compass mounted on a tripod and equipped with sight value. Survey sheet, a record that contains of distance, slopes, and directions of the survey lines, including those objects used, reference points, or stations found in the surveyed area. Tachometry, the rapid method of determining the horizontal distance and difference in elevation by employing geometrical properties of the instruments used. Tape, a graduated flexible plastic ribbons used for measuring distance. Theodolite, a transit designed for high precision measurement. Topographic map, a type of map that indicates the relief of the ground in such a manner the elevations of which may be determined by inspection. Topographic surveying, a type of surveying which made to secure field data such as relief, elevations, and locations of natural and artificial objects. Transit, an instrument used principally for measuring horizontal and vertical angles, for measuring distances by stadia, and for prolonging straight lines and mounted on a tripod. Traverse line, a series of consecutive lines whose lengths and directions are known. Triangulation leveling, a method of determining vertical angles and horizontal distance by employing trigonometric functions of a right angle. True meridian, a fixed line of reference whose directions is always the same regardless of the time. Turning point, an intervening point between two benchmarks upon which foresight and backsight rods readings are taken. Vernier, a short auxiliary scale placed alongside the graduate scale of an instrument, by means of which fractional parts of the less divisions of the main scale can be measured precisely. Vertical angle, an angle between the two intersecting lines in a vertical plane. Vertical line, a line perpendicular to the Earth's surface or a line defined by a plumb line. Vertical plane, a plane perpendicular to the Earth's surface.